For this Jennie inspired look, let's do a middle part. We're gonna work with two big sections, left and right. Grab that hair and with a brush, try to form pigtails. Don't forget to leave a tiny piece in the front so that we can have some bangs that will frame our face like Jennie's. Then you will secure the pigtail with an elastic. Ah, pigtails. This hairstyle will make you remember the days when you and your classmates all have the same hairstyles back in preschool. Now we're gonna do this little technique here. Grab a thin section of hair from the bottom of that newly made pigtail and we're gonna wrap it around, just like this. First twist it around and then wrap it on that pigtail you just made. And then you'll just pin it down. This technique is great when you want to hide the elastic. Now get 3 strands of hair and start braiding. Start doing your normal braid. Again, finish it off with an elastic. The key here is to use an elastic that is the same color with your hair so that it will be invisible. This is the fun part. Use your hand to fold it inwards and lay the braid flat on your hair. You can leave the ends hanging like this because we'll wrap it around later. I'm using a bobby pin to hold it in place. Also use a bobby pin that is in the same color with your hair. Now we'll deal with this little thing here. Twist it around and just like so wrap it and put a bobby pin to it. All of Jennie's hairstyles are undeniably cute. This side is done and this is how it looks like. And on to the other side. We'll just repeat what we did earlier. Grab tiny pieces and start braiding. Just like that, you'll just braid it all the way down. I've been enjoying recreating K-drama hairstyles recently, and now I'll be doing more K-pop looks in the future. This is the last step. Now, we don't want these pieces dangling, so get your bobby pins and secure them in place. Don't forget to leave a like if you want more like this, and if you have requests, please comment down below and I'll try my best to include them. Subscribe for more Korean recreations and hit the bell notification to be alerted whenever I post a new video. Hope you all are doing well. Goodbye. See you in my next one. Thanks for watching.
Strangers in disguise.